Hi guys, welcome to the Full Stack Code Hub. Today we will be solving one error, which is Java IOException of invalid status code 403 text forbidden. Now, before getting into this error, I would just like to highlight that how we are getting this error. So basically, this is I'm assuming a prerequisite that you have a project set up in your local machine, and in this project setup, we have written a normal scenario wherein we are using the WebDriver manager. In the WebDriver, we are using the edge driver and we are creating an instance of the edge driver. After creating the instance, we are doing the driver.get and we are redirecting our we are opening the browser, we are uh, uh, redirecting our browser to numpyninja.com and then we are closing the browser simply, and this we are doing with the help of Selenium. So I have written one small snippet here and it is giving me one error: Java IO exception invalid status code 403 text forbidden. I will be solving this error in the current video, so let's get started. Let me run this snippet code which I have written here. So guys, you can see here that our Microsoft Edge browser gets launched, but it is not passing that NumPy Ninja here. And we are getting, if we check our console, we are getting the error. So just to make it readable for you, I'll copy this entire text and I will paste it in our Notepad++. Okay. So when we analyze it properly, local connections allowed, you see that the Microsoft Edge WebDriver was started successfully, and after starting there was a invalid status code 403 text forbidden, and there was a Java IO exception invalid status code text forbidden, and then we have WebSocket handler and then exception in thread main where it says unable to establish WebSocket connection to localhost. So why this problem generally occurs is it can be a firewall or a service blocking this particular Selenium application to open the text. So we fix it by giving the edge options, and in this option we allow the origins of the remote, and I will implement that snippet of code here and show you how it is done. So it's very simple. We will open our code editor, and in this code editor we will create an instance of edge options, and in the options we will give, we'll first create it. Okay, and in the options we will add the argument, add the arguments, and in this argument we will give remote allow origins, remote allow origins, and we will provide a asterisk here and we will pass this options to our edge driver. Options and after passing these options we will try running it and check whether our error is solved or not. So basically what we have done, we have created an instance of the options, and in the options we have added the argument of remote allow origins asterisk. Basically this argument which we pass here is allowing all the remote origins to the edge driver, and now the edge driver will be successful in launching our edge browser and providing the URL and then closing it as per the scenario, simple scenario. So let's run it and test. Okay. So yes guys, it is doing it. I've shown this check with the Edge browser. Now let's do one thing. Let's check it with web browser with Chrome driver as well. So I will just comment the snippet for will comment this snippet till here, and I will use Chrome driver in here, Chrome driver, and I will create the instance of Chrome driver here. Scenario remains same. Guys, this code can be optimized to a greater extent, but I am using a simple example here. That is why I am using this simply. So let's just run it once and check. So we have used the WebDriver manager, we have set up the Chrome driver, and then we have created an instance of this driver class, and in that instance we have passed the URL which we tend to go to this URL, and after that we are closing the driver and quitting the driver. So let's just implement this. Okay. And guys, you can see our Chrome driver was started, but there was some error. Let's copy paste this error, and okay, let's open a new tab, paste. So our error indicates that, okay, so basically there is some version issue in this Chrome driver. In order to fix this error, we'll specify the browser version here and then check it in Chrome. So we can specify our browser versions like browser version. Before specifying the browser version, let's check the browser version in our local machine. So we'll do it by opening our Chrome, and we'll open this Chrome, and we'll go to the settings, and in the, okay, not settings exactly, we'll go to help and about Google Chrome, and we can see the version here. We can take the version from here, copy this, and in our script we will specify this version. So once we specify this version, and let's run it once again. Okay, and this time again our Chrome browser is opening, but our the URL which we tend to reach is not getting reached. Reason being the same error which we encountered previously, which is let's just check the error once again here, and it is the same error, invalid status 403 text forbidden. We can solve it by providing Chrome options, and how we can do that, we'll write Chrome options, and in the Chrome options we'll specify the options, and let's create an instance of Chrome options first, and then we'll add the argument here. Chrome options, and we add the argument. Let's copy it from here to reduce typing. Paste, and let's pass our options. I think this is it. Let's run our application and check. And yeah guys, our Chrome is also working fine. So this is the solution to the following error, and this code can be optimized to a greater extent, but just to give you a small example, I have used the code in this format. If you guys have any suggestions, you can reach out to me in the comment section, and apart from reaching out to me, if you do like the content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please share it with your friends. It will be really helpful. And if you face any issues regarding this error, you can reach out to me. I will link below the our the resources on how I solved this error, so that it becomes easy for you. Thanks for watching, and that's it for today.